What's good, what's happening, man? Y'all know we back with another one. This is gonna be a quick video, up-to-date video. This is like, I'm gonna post this probably tomorrow. Yeah, this is gonna be up to date. So the couple of videos y'all seen, you know what I'm saying, I already did those like months ago. So I'm kind of behind, as you can see. That thing sitting behind me, you know what I'm saying? Shout out the Chevy for the tag, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with me, you feel me? But anyway, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to watch this thing up because we did have brake problems, but we got that fixed. That video will be dropping probably next month. I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? I got videos stacked up, you know what I'm saying? So, just to give y'all an update, you know what I'm saying? A quick today's date update, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all know y'all seen some old videos. I've been did those, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say procrastinate, but I stack up content to post content so I can be consistent, you know what I'm saying? So I stacked it up first so I can be ahead of the game, you know what I'm saying? I'm like 9 videos up, you feel me? So I recorded 2 yesterday. But anyway, hope everybody having a good day, you know what I'm saying? Blessings to everybody. Happy birthday to everybody I ain't say happy birthday to, and all that good stuff. Congratulations, if I need to say congratulations as well, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, you know what I'm saying, we about to wash this thing right here up and cut the block a little bit, like vacuum it out. You know, I ain't drove it in like a month and some change, so it feel good to be back in this thing, you feel me? I gotta do my dash lights again. I probably gonna do that in this video, so I ain't know why I didn't say that. But anyway, this is gonna be a quick one. And yo, shout out to everybody that rocking with the channel, hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, and make sure you drop a comment, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't like drop. Sometimes I don't either, but hey, drop a comment too. You feel me? We didn't hit 15K subscribers on the road to 2K, to 20K. You know what I'm saying? Shit, so hey, I appreciate everybody hitting that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Now it's time to get this thing back monetized. If you know what happened to my monetization, you know. If you don't, then stay around, you probably find out later on. But get this thing back monetized real quick. So stay tuned, like, share the video, do all that good stuff, and I hope everybody having a blessed day, because I'm gonna have one, you feel me? So, but anyway, let's get it. Old school, you know what I'm saying? Old school, watch it the old school way. And hey, you'll see why I got this right here in a minute. Saturday night sip, you are, hold up. We ain't on that liquor today just yet. Boom, but we gotta get us some Coronas in though. Drop me one of these. Put the rest in the freezer. Cheers to everybody out there that's sipping something. Bye y'all.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Far from real, factual. Tried to think, tried to cope, tried to drink, tried to smoke. You cut me deep, my bleeding soul. You far from real, factual. Tried to deal, tried to cope, tried to drink, tried to smoke. You cut me deep, my bleeding soul. Don't do long distance, so I'm moving on. She don't have interest, don't take that long, take that long. Back to the riches on my Lionel Richie. Gave her a hickey, we went all night long. Now she tryna kill me because of my phone. Remember telling her that it wasn't on. We in two different states, we in two different zones. Just tryna see what type of time are you on. Far from real, factual. Tried to deal, tried to cope, tried to drink, tried to smoke. You cut me deep, my bleeding soul. You far from real, factual. Tried to deal, tried to cope.
I ain't know where my handle at for my damn scrubber. I got something for y'all. Who remember this right here? That old school cleaning when you used to use dirt. If you know something about that, drop in the comments, let me know. What you know about that using that dirt to clean dirt. Damn, man, I ain't got my little handle. Woo! One down, 3 more to go. Let's go. Where you at? Bye. Thank you. I don't know how many times. Yo, I don't know how many times I done washed this car. Hold up. Yo, I don't know how many times I done washed this car and the paint come off on the rag. You know it's old, but I can't wait to get it painted though. We'll talk about that in a little bit. But every time I keep wiping paint off, bro. Oh. Black Magic. If y'all know something better, let me know in the comments, man. This is what I'm using though. Black Magic, I'm about out. I'm gonna have to run and go get some. I don't know if it's gonna hit all 4 tires, but we're gonna try it out. Oh shit. We still got a little bit, so now we're gonna just burn this extra on the. Boom, we empty. Hey man, there was some other stuff that I used one time. That shit kept the tires black for a long time. This right here washed off now. But when you first put it on there, oh yeah, they look good. Oh yeah, they look good. You might can't see it in the camera, but it look pretty good. But I know there's something better than this though. I ain't gonna lie. And we gonna find it. By the time we put some wheels on this thing, we gonna find it. Now it's time to show y'all the sauce to make it shine, right? I got this tip off YouTube, you know what I'm saying? YouTube University, can't beat it, you feel me? So, as you can see my paint, I know I need a paint job. I know that, you ain't gotta tell me that. There was somebody said that in the comments. But I know I need a paint job. This is the original. I don't think this is the original paint job, because somebody else tried to paint it. They fucked up a lot. But anyway, for a fact, I know this paint job been on here for at least 20 years. You know what I'm saying? When you wet it and you know how it look when it wet, that lets you know how the paint can still come back, right? But a little trick that I seen on YouTube to make it shine like it's got a nice clear coat on it. It ain't gonna be perfect, no, but it look way better than this dull look, as you can see. Look at the dull look at it, you know. And yeah, if y'all know anybody, we looking for a whole new front end piece. We're gonna replace this whole clip, replace that whole clip. But see how that paint look? Dull as hell. Ain't really got no shine to it. If y'all seen my shorts, y'all know how the car look when I be posting it and shit. It be shining and shit. I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. Keep watching. Y'all might think it crazy, but I don't care, because guess what? It make it look clean. Bow. And this ain't no P. Diddy advertising either. But yeah, man, baby oil. And this my rag I always apply it with. You know, I probably ain't need to put none on it. But I just throw a little bit. Throw some on the rag like that. Hold on. Break. All right, back to work. But yeah, put some on the rag like that. And then wipe it down. Alright. For y'all boys that got paint job shit, y'all ain't gotta do this. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. Yeah, y'all can tell the difference. So try it. I'm about to go on and wipe it on down. You feel me? Get this thing shining real quick. Let's go. Alright, I don't know if y'all can tell, I done wiped it down with that baby oil. Look at that. Tires shine. I still gotta wipe them tires again though. Ooh yeah. Eventually I'm gonna get it painted, man. I ain't really worried about it this year. Next year it will hit the paint shop. I was thinking about this is my budget car, right? So off the rip, you know, I'm making content with this car, so I'm thinking about painting myself in my garage for the first paint job. Go back to the original color. I mean, the second paint job, take it and get that candy on it. I already know what color I want it for the final color, but if I paint it in the garage, oh yeah, fuck with me. If I paint it in the garage, I'm gonna paint it back this color right here. Do the body work myself. I did take body, auto body mechanic up in high school, career center, if y'all boys know what that is. You know what I'm saying? Teach you how to paint cars and shit. Teach you how to do a whole lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? Boom. I don't even think I made a video on this, but yeah, that's what we rocking in the trunk. 212s, nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? This ain't standing here. It's just something to beat for right now. You know what I'm saying? Can't ride around tweeting all day. But hook that thing on up. I'm definitely gonna do the trunk out. Y'all already know that. Hey, gotta have that in there. You feel me? Especially with my fire experiences. But yeah, I got some 12s in the trunk, man. MTX audio. You know, they beat enough. You know what I'm saying? Beat enough for me. I'm planning on putting at least 3 or 4. Thinking about doing 4 all the way around. You know what I'm saying? Custom box. Yeah. That in the trunk, y'all already know I got a Pioneer deck. You know what I'm saying? Got the Pioneer deck in here. Ski. Boom. Plan on changing that out too. That already just something for right now. We about to definitely go vacuum and clean this thing on out. Let's ride. Switch it around. But yeah, damn, so that's I ain't even got my stand on it right now. But that's what we rocking with, man. Thumbnail might be. I don't know, but anyway, but yeah, so ain't nothing like cleaning the car in the yard, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I stay in apartments right now, so you know what I'm saying, is what it is. Hopefully I'll be moving up out of there real soon. Ain't no hope, ain't no such thing as that. But I'll be moving up out of there soon, so I can be doing this in my yard. You know what I'm saying? But ain't nothing like cleaning the car in the yard on some grass. To me, you know what I'm saying, this beat going to the car wash. You know what I'm saying, especially when you got something as delicate as this, or something, a fresh whip, you feel me? Ain't nothing like that. I used to have a 92 Cadillac DeVille. Shit, I used to clean that bitch right here in this yard, you know what I'm saying, with them white walls. Clean this Cadillac in them streets. Anybody know me know I had to clean this Cadillac in something streets, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, damn, boom, that baby oil did the trick. Look at it. Yeah. Look at it. And it'll stay like that till it rain. You know what I'm saying? Even after it rain, you know what I'm saying? It'll stay like that for a little minute till it get dirty, like regular dirty, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes I just wipe it back down again and look back like that again, you feel me? But hey man, on that note, man, this might be the end of the video. Before I leave the video though, I must say, let me give a shout out to 87 SS boy. Subscribe, bing. You know what I'm saying? And another shout out to Tulu TV. Bing. And another shout out to my boy 84 Cuddy. Bing. Go subscribe to them boys, man. You know what I'm saying? Them boys motivate me. You know what I'm saying? Once I got my old school and watching their channels, you know what I'm saying? Them boys motivate me to do most of it hands-on, you know what I'm saying? Thinking about that LS, I don't know, 87 SS boy making me not want to go LS. You know what I'm saying? Stay conventional with it. I ain't trying to race nothing, I just want them tires to spin, you feel me? But Cuddy make me feel like LS swapping that bit. All them boys got some good ass cars too, man, so go check it out. Go check this shit out, man. But on that note, man, you already know what it is, man. Every day is a blessed day, so make sure you wake up on one. Peace.
JPRE. You see.